you doing? I hope all is well. So I'm gonna tie up my neck, guys. I'm having the flu, and I try to keep the throat warm. I went on the road the other day, and I'm telling you guys, like, I contract a different draft. So what I do, I try to keep it warm, even I'm at home. All right, so you can hear it in the voice. But this morning I'm still going to cook. The flu not going to stop me from cooking, so I'm still going to cook. All right, I don't mind the scarf at my neck. That's quite okay, just to keep it warm. But anyway, I have some soup this morning. So I'm going to cook some goat foot soup. I just say goat foot no more. So it's just a goat foot soup. I am cooking alone this morning. So over here I have my hot water. Let me show you. And I must say again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for telling a friend to tell another friend about my channel, right? Thank you for making a comment. I may not respond to everyone, but thank you very much, and thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you very much. So just watch as I go, just watch the process. So as you can see, I have my pot here, and this is my goat foot. All right, can you see? All right, so I'm going to put my goat foot in. I'm going to scald it off like this. All right, so as may I scald it off maybe 8 minutes or 10 minutes. All right, guys, maybe 10 or 8 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to pressure it. So watch the process as I go. Let me know if you eat goat foot. All right, me now no head, so I just cook the foot alone. All right, so this is my goat foot. All right, and how are you doing this morning? Today is the 21st of December 2024. All right, how is it going in your Christmas season? And remember, the reason for the season is to give God thanks. Doesn't matter what. The reason for the season is to give God thanks and celebrate, adore Him, love Him, and trust God, because He's able to do whatever. And not only in the Christmas season, but all year round, we should learn to trust God. All right. To see my, okay, I'm going to show you my food now. So guys, this is what I have. I'm going to put a piece of yam, banana. You know, we put banana in goat soup, okay, or ram goat soup. Carrot, turnip, Irish potato, and some more turnip here, and my chocho, okay, and I have squash here, okay guys, and I have my noodle, and of course I'm going to make some dumpling. So watch the process as I go, guys. Watch the process, and remember to trust God and put God in everything that we do. So I'm going to start my peeling of food, and as the goat foot, stay there and scald off. Okay, so watch the process. Welcome back, guys. Okay, this is all my veggies. My carrot, my Irish, my turnips, stuff yam. Okay, so I'm going to put them in now. So watch the process. You can see. Okay. This is it. Guys, this is my dumpling, my flour. I'm going to show you how I peel my bananas for the, look at it, guys. This is how I do it. And you put it like this. Going to do all of it. Like this. I'll make sure you wash your bananas. I can do it from this end also. And I do it like this. Guys, these are my spinners. You can see my spinners here. They are the small one we call spinners, guys. As you can see my pot now. Put in all my foods. Okay, so I'm gonna put in a pack of noodles. May take another one. I'll watch the process as I go. Okay. This is it's too much food, but that's okay. It will all boil down. Some of the food is not mashed out as ready, but as I go, it will boil down. Alright, you see my what feet. I have my egg to put in there, so I just use what I have. Alright, so watch the process as I go. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. You are my family. You're not just a subscriber, you're my family. Okay, and Miss Vivian, this is for some of this is for you, not all of it, because the rest of my subscribers are needed. So this is my goat feet soup for you, so you get your dish ready until I am finished. And to all of my subscribers, I'm going to share this for you guys. This is your Christmas present. All right, you can see it's boiling. All right, okay, so watch the process as I go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Have a very merry Christmas, and remember the reason for the season. Okay, blessings. And rosemary, cloves, and thyme. I boil it, put it out. Okay, as you can see my pot coming up now. Almost there. Okay, this is my goat foot. Goat foot, let me know where you're watching from. My goat foot soup, and let me know if you drink goat foot soup. Okay, guys, it's all in the game. It's all in the game. No head, just the feet alone. Alright? And you put whatever spice you want to put in it. You see my pimento? Put it, whatever you want, you put it in your soup. Okay, thanks for watching again. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel, please. You're my family. And hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you knows. Okay, you can see this soup is for all my subscribers. Anyone of you subscribers that don't drink goat foot, let me know. Tell me what you want me to cook. Alright, guys, so watch the process as I go. You can put whatever seasoning you want in it. Alright, I put a little seasoning salt with my chicken noodle. Alright? Guys, I'm just going to put a little margarine in it. That's it. If you don't want to, you don't put. But you don't have to put. I don't really put it like that. So just because I have it, I just put it in there. You can see? Just get in there. Next time you see me around, it's all ready. And this is good for the winter. And because I have the flu, I have to make something hot. It's good for your cold also. Chicken soup. Any kind of soup is good for, especially the chicken. But whatever kind of soup is good for the flu. Alright? So this is for my flu. And for my subscribers, remember to tell a friend to tell another friend. Alright? Guys, this is my finished product now. My soup, my chicken, my goat foot, all ready. All ready, guys. And to all my subscribers, to all of you guys, this is your Christmas present. Okay, let me know if you drink it. Alright, and as I say, Miss Vivian, I know you love it. Get your dish ready. Auntie Joy, all of you guys, all of my subscribers, can't remember all the name, but all of you guys, this is for you today. Alright, thank you for watching, thank you for viewing my channel, thank you for the comment. Continue to make comment, let me know, put it in the comment, man, and let me know if you like it, if you want some. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching, and please remember the reason for the season that we are celebrating. Okay, Christ. Okay, thanks for watching, and this is my finished product. Bye bye.